Fly smarter, save more, discover theegletry.com. Are you tired of overpaying for your flights? You're not alone. Watch frustrated travelers struggle as sky-high prices block their travel dreams. It's time for a change. Imagine effortlessly finding the best deals, all in one spot. Intrigued? We've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing theegletry.com, where dream travels meet realistic budgets. This revolutionary platform scans multiple airlines with precision, bringing you the most affordable options. No more clicking through endless tabs. theegletry.com simplifies the process, marrying convenience with savings. Picture a sleek, user-friendly interface that does all the hard work. With theegletry.com, you compare prices in real time, ensuring you snatch the best deals before they're gone. Discover all your flight options in one place and eliminate the headache of manual searching. Ready to transform how you book flights? Visit theegletry.com today and tap into a world of affordable travel. Start your journey now and never look back at high prices. Experience flight booking the way it's meant to be, simple and stress-free. Click and fly smart with theegletry.com.